based on the policy na i-implement na po ang departmentalization sa grade 3. Oo. This is in response to yung clamor na matagal na po nating sinasabi sa central office na yun nga, ang grade 3 ang pinakaunang grade level na bombarded. Kung iisipin talaga ang number of minutes. Kasi sila yung unang full load. Lahat, teach all, ang lahat ng learning areas nila, full load pa talaga, and then advisory pa talaga. So, with the implementation of DepEd Order number 5, which is the guidelines on the overtime pay and the vacation service credits, come this school year, kapag hindi babaguhin ang grade 3, it would also mean na magkakaroon ng overtime pay parati ang grade 3. So, kaya isama na po siya sa departmentalization.